Good afternoon. Welcome to Real Talk. I'm Lisa Wilson
Tiffany Cofield
with Off-Road Realty, where we speak fluent sarcasm. Would you love it? Or are you sick of it already?
They can't be sick of it.
No, we're too cute. So, today on Real Talk, we're going to talk about for sale by owner. There have been a lot of articles out there, news stories, talking about the role that a real estate agent plays in a transaction and are they really necessary? And the fact that people selling their homes want to save the money and feel that they can go through the process alone. So, that being said, let's talk about the pros and cons of for sale by owner. Let's talk about the pros first. You get to pocket more of the money. This isn't obvious. So there'll be no paying of 5 or 6% commission for you, right? You have complete control over the transaction. That's the pricing, the negotiations, the marketing, the showings. It's all under your control because you are the listing agent. And you know your home better than anybody else. So if a buyer comes along and has questions about the property, you're the perfect one to answer those questions because you live in the house, it's your house, you know the house. So let's talk about a few of the cons. I'm going to get snarky.
Uh-oh.
Hang on, buckle up, Buttercup. It's a proven fact that homes listed with a licensed realtor sell for up to 26% more money. But you save that 5 to 6% on commission, right? So it's all good.
Worth it.
You really don't know which documents you need or how to fill them out properly to keep yourself out of trouble, shall we say. And that's very, very important, no matter what state you're in, whether it's North Carolina or not. You don't have professional photos typically. I mean, you can hire a photographer to do it, but I don't think I've ever seen a for sale by owner hire a photographer to take professional photos. But you can do them yourself, right? Or should you? You're not posting on Facebook. This isn't, wifey and I went out to dinner last night or the kids and I went here and there. This is your house. Thousands and thousands and thousands of dollars are riding on the line with these photos. You don't have anyone to vet the buyers. Are they pre-qualified or pre-approved? Are they even able to buy a house? Are they really looking for houses or are they just looking at their next target? Is it a little more nefarious than that? And it happens more than you may realize. You have to answer all the phone calls. You've got to set up all the showings. You may even have to leave work, which means losing money, to go show the property and accommodate these buyers. Here's my snarkiness. Your meager attempts at marketing will most likely be missed or ignored by licensed agents, who, by the way, have contractual commitments with pre-qualified buyers. So you're ostracizing a huge share of your target audience. You need a buyer for your house. And guess who works with those buyers? A licensed real estate agent. Then there are the negotiations. Are you ready to rumble? I'm just kidding. So agents are used to negotiating, and the other side of that is that those of us that have been in the business for a little bit have formed relationships with other agents, so we know how to negotiate with them. We work well together, and it all meshes much better. So there are many other things that you might be able to think of, but these are the ones that stick out in my mind. And then there's the biggest thing that I will say to you that is a con for selling by owner. 70% of all real estate related lawsuits were from a for sale by owner transaction that's gone horribly wrong. but you save 5 to 6% on commission, right? Are you catching a theme here? When you hire a real estate agent, you're paying for a professional, a licensed professional who's going to research, they're going to advertise, they're going to promote your home. They're making your life easier. It is a service. You'll have professional photos, you'll have the proper documents. The agent will ensure all your T's are crossed and I's are dotted on those documents. So if you're considering selling your home, at least take time to sit down and talk to a realtor, or 2 or 3 or 4 or 5 or whatever you want, and see how they can make the process as easy as 1, 2, 3. And I can promise you at the end of the day, you will net more money with an agent than without. We hope you take away some good information. If you have questions, we're here to answer those questions. You can call us at 866-9-OFF-ROAD. And don't forget, beep at the Jeep.